Rolling.
How to draw the mother's weave. Now we start with a square piece of paper. So you fold it in half, you've cut it into a perfect square. And then you fold it at its diagonals, this, and then again like the opposite angle. Then you open it back up and you fold it into hot dog style, which is halfway across. Everything touching the point. And then you open it back up and do the opposite corner of that. So now you're going to have 4 folds within the paper. There we go. Alright, so see the 4 folds there? You have a cross here and then you have the plus sign here. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to connect these dots or these lines. The first line we're going to connect are these 2 lines. So we're going to create a square, another square within the square. So you have your outside lines, and now we're going to create an inner square. So now you've created the 2 squares like that. Now we're going to use the diagonal lines, which are these lines here. We're going to create another square within that square. If you remember, we call Mother Earth the number for the number 4. She uses the number 4 a lot in her creations. She's using the 4 states of matter within the 4 seasons of the earth. So here now we have 2, and we just continue going and going and going. So now we're going to use these next lines and creating another square within this one. And when you get all done, it kind of resembles a rose. It's one that we put on top of the geometric plant. When you have the point as the bottom and the line as the number 2, and then you have the leaves or the triangles or the surface, and then this one on top, the number 4, which represents the flower or the beauty that comes from plants. And you know that they all happen because of seasons. There we go. Can you see the rose within this? Just follow those folded lines. There you go.